guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you've watched a few of my videos or this is your first time here and you haven't subscribed yet, it's free and I'd love for you to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Also, if you find this video helpful, if you wouldn't mind hitting the like button below because it helps the algorithm and it supports my channel. I just got this Falcon 2 Pro 22 watt laser engraver from Creality in exchange for an honest review. So I'm going to do just that, and that is why we're in my garage today. So let's get started and take this baby out. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's get this in. We're going to take everything out, so let's get this out first. Here is the laser piece, which we're going to pull out, and then they also included some materials, which is awesome. Your little practice starter kit. Let's see what this is. Go ahead and take this out as well. So here is the laser out of the box, and we're going to go ahead and finish setting the rest up, and I'm going to walk you through that. So once you start taking everything out of the box, you'll see that there is a product manual in here. So we're just going to follow this, and this is what it'll look like when we have it set up. We are going to go ahead and get these parts out, and we're going to make the cover first to go on top of here. You're going to start with these two strips. So I got those out of the box. So you want to identify the front and back sides of the aluminum strips A and B. A says fan on it and B says light. This one says fan right there, and the other one says light. That's how you know which one is A and B. This is the top support bar, so it looks just like this, and these are the two side bars that we're going to connect, and the one on the left is fan and the one on the right is light. We're going to take this top support bar, and you want the side that has this little circuit, is what I'm going to call this because I'm not a professional, is going to be going towards the USB camera. So we're going to place this one this way. Determine the front and the rear directions of the protective frame. These go in the front. I'm going to have this lined up, okay? And let me just hold this. I'm going to go ahead and put in the screws. So this side is on, and then we're going to go ahead and turn it back the right way. And remember, the words are going to go towards you, and that is the left side. And we're going to go ahead and take the red transparent film, and this is track 1. The first one is 1 and the second one is 2. 1, 2. So we're going to slide that transparent film into track 1. So it doesn't say whether to remove the film or not, but I'm going to do that. I would assume you do. We're going to go ahead and slide it into track 1. Then we're going to keep sliding it all the way. Basically, you just have to take your time and go slow to get this in there. And then down here, there's also like a track. So you want to push it in to that track so it's secure. Then it says connect the bottom support bar to the transparent film according to the track. We're going to go ahead and use this track. We're going to go ahead and slide this into track 2. I'm going to put in the long one, we're going to put the red film, the transfer film. Okay. We went ahead and we screwed this in on both ends, so now this is in here. Transfer film, and you can tell this one's different because it actually has the bars on it. We're going to put this in track 2, and we're just going to slide it the same that we did. So we're just carefully going to slide this. So this part here, right, this, it actually goes, you push this all the way down and this slides in here just like so. It'll line up. So that is done. I'm going to go ahead and just slide this in. This is the laser engraver, and we're going to install this. This will actually slide. You'll see the back, it has a track, and it has this little track over here. So we're just going to slide this right here. This part will go ahead and plug into that one, kind of like a phone type jack. Don't know the names for it, but it just goes right in here. Let's go ahead and turn it the right side up. Okay, and then boom, it pushes right in. This is for the air. So you'll go ahead and take this, and that can go right here, just like so. Super easy. Push it down, and that's it. You can take this, and we can actually put this under the bracket to keep it in place. So just like that. Keep it all organized and together, just like that. Perfect. And then here we can open this little Velcro, and we can put this together as well. Okay, just like that. Cool. So this is all set and good to go. This right here is labeled. You will see this says air outlet, and this is air inlet. This right here is the air pump. See this little little prong here, and it says air pump. So we're just going to go ahead and push this in there. You can see this has this part. We're just going to go ahead and push this in, just like so, and that's it for that. This is power. You can see like a little plug sign for power. This just goes right into here, just like so. That's it. This right in here, and then we'll have to plug this into the outlet. All I did was just pick this up and just set this right on top. And you'll see that this part right here, can you see that? Will plug in right here. So let's go ahead and move this back really quick and plug this in. The plain one with nothing on it is the B. So the B board is just the plain one, and then the one with the fan goes through. So A goes this way, and this will go outwards, and this will go in here. So we're gonna go ahead and so I just have this pressed in there. I went ahead and I screwed everything in, so this side is secure. And we're gonna go ahead now and do the other side. And we're gonna go ahead and just push this in, and we're gonna go ahead and screw this. Oh, okay, so if you see here, this, let me make sure, this cord right here that we plugged in is the light. So this right here is the light. We plugged this cable into here. Then this one was just hanging, and that was from the fan right there. So this cable right here, we just plug in right there. Let me make sure it's not blurry. Okay, so this goes right there. That's it. This is the exhaust pipe, and we are going to tighten it here with a clamp. Okay, so yeah, so we're just going to push in, and it goes just like that. Super simple. Push in, and then it opens up, and you put it there. Then we're going to push this again and put this over that to go ahead and secure it. Creality also sent me this Fume extractor, so I definitely recommend one of these if you're going to be using a laser machine, because it will go ahead and extract all the pollutants, it tells you here all the fumes and smokes, bacteria, harmful gases. This eliminates it. And then this pipe connects into here. So I ended up taking out the original pipe that came with it, because this one from the Fume extractor was nicer. So I went ahead and I used this same setup. One of the things I love about the Falcon 2 Pro is the key feature. To turn it on, you simply turn the key to the on position, and to turn it off, you turn it back to the off position. You can also remove the key and take it with you, ensuring that no one else can use your laser cutter without your permission. Another great feature is the safety door mechanism. The laser won't operate if the door is open, and if you open the door while it is in use, it will automatically shut off. Additionally, if you need to stop the machine immediately for any reason, you can also hit the stop button. You have here, which is the home button, and the frame button. This is the start button. And then you can move this laser, you can move left, backwards, forwards, and to the right. So there are two different softwares that are compatible with the Falcon 2. There's Laser Engraver and LightBurn. LightBurn is a more comprehensive and feature-rich software. It's suitable for a wide range of laser machines and offering advanced designs and control tools. That one requires a paid license, and Laser Engraver is a free open source option, and it provides basic functionality and is primarily aimed at Engraver-based controllers. It is simpler but less feature-rich compared to LightBurn. So choosing between the two depends on your specific needs, the type of laser engraver you have, and your budget. If you need a more advanced design capabilities and a user-friendly interface, then LightBurn is likely the best choice. If you're looking for a free option with basic functionality, then Laser Engraver may suffice. So I'll leave a link below for both. Today I'm going to use LightBurn, and we're going to engrave and cut. And if you are interested in LightBurn, they do have a 30-day trial, which I'm actually using right now, so it doesn't hurt to try it. So let's get started. So I'm just double clicking over here, and I'm going to change the speed to 700 and the power to 100. Make sure that the air is on, and then we're going to go ahead and hit start. Okay, so just finished. I have to say that for your first cut, I think that's pretty awesome. I think I placed it a little bit too far up, but however, it's my first time, so that's pretty awesome, don't you think? Look at the detail. That is so freaking nice. Awesome. So we're going to go ahead, go in here. I'm just going to hit delete, and we're going to import another image. Let's do this lion. Okay, that's pretty big. So let's go over here and let's do like 4x4. And we're going to go over here and let's change this to 1,000 for speed and 40 for power. 6,000, I'm going to do 40 for power. So let's just double click, change this to 40. And then we're going to hit OK. Go ahead and hit start. The engraving turned out amazing. This is only my second time using the Falcon, and the cutout on the eagle is incredibly detailed. Just imagine the possibilities of what I can create once I get more familiar with the software. But I have some fantastic projects lined up, so make sure to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any new videos. Right now, Creality is running some fantastic summer sales, so be sure to check the link below. I'm not sure how long these deals will last, but if you miss the summer sale, don't worry. Creality is also offering 20% off the Falcon 10, the Falcon 2 12 watt, 22 watt, 40 watt, Falcon 2 Pro. Just use the promo code listed below And also, this offer is only valid until December 31st of 2024. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye.